Hello friends, I'm Kyle from Wyze. Did you know that Kenny G made the high school golf team, but he didn't even make his own high school jazz band? Sad. But he didn't give up, did he? And we never give up trying to find solutions to make your lives easier. Have you ever wanted to plug in your Wyze Cam V3 outside, but couldn't quite reach to an outlet? Well, we've solved that problem. Now you have Wyze lamp socket, an elegant solution to plug in and power your Wyze Cam V3 and upgrade to smart lighting all at the same time. First, we're gonna unbox the starter bundle. Of course, these lamp sockets don't work without a Wyze Cam V3. So if you don't already have a Wyze Cam V3, you're gonna wanna make sure to pick up the starter bundle first and maybe pick up a couple of expansion units. But let's unbox the starter bundle first. All right. First thing I'm gonna pull out of the box is the Wyze Cam V3. Got our little mounting plate here. Mounts magnetically to any surface. And next we have the lamp socket. Check that out. Next we have the cable that powers the Wyze Cam V3. This cable is made especially for the lamp socket. And finally, we have some accessories. The first little bag of accessories contains some clips that you can stick for easy cable management. There's also some screws and wall anchors in case you wanted to fasten these clips to the wall. There's the traditional mounting hardware, screws and wall anchors for your Wyze Cam V3. Next, there's the sticker that says, "Do not turn off." We'll explain a little bit more about this in a minute. That is everything that comes in the box. Now let's show you how this thing works. You know when something's so easy that it's like screwing in a light bulb? That's exactly what this is like. To start, with the power off, simply unscrew your bulbs. And we're gonna pretend that these two lamp sockets are maybe situated outside of my garage in my house. Then you're gonna take your Wyze lamp socket and screw your bulb, standard bulb or smart bulb, into your lamp socket, and then screw the lamp socket into your light fixture. Now, maybe you want to control multiple lights and have them synced and grouped and work together. Well, you're gonna need an extra lamp socket for that. And that's why we also have expansion units. Boom. Now I'm gonna restore power to these lamp sockets. Now here's something that's really cool about these. Any lamp socket that is powered on within 30 seconds of each other that are within range, and I think the range is about 80 feet, they will automatically connect together. So you don't have to do anything to connect them. They'll automatically do it when you add it in the Wyze app. Now that we've restored power to our lamp sockets, it's time to power our V3, which is the brains behind this whole operation here. The first thing I'm gonna do is peel back the silicone cover, and I'm going to slide in the special Wyze Cam V3 cable. Then I'm going to connect it to my Wyze Cam V3. The little light is on, indicating that we have power. Now that we have power to the V3, I'm just gonna mount it, let's say, somewhere next to my garage door where the light fixture is. Now that the V3 is connected to the lamp socket, it can control the group of sockets together in the Wyze app. Now, as you can see, the wire needs a little bit of attention. We wanna make sure it looks nice and neat, or else my wife won't be too happy with me. That's why we included those clips. You can neatly manage the cable by placing them wherever you need them, tidying up the cable, and tuck away any excess. So now we've tucked away our cable, and as you can tell, those clips are working like a charm. And that's it. You've installed Wyze lamp socket. And let's dive in and show you just what that means in the Wyze app. So first, you're gonna add Wyze lamp socket in the Wyze app. Now that we've added Wyze lamp socket in the Wyze app, let me show you all the cool things you can do with it. When you click into the live stream of the camera that you've set up with the Wyze lamp socket, just above the live stream view, there's a little light icon. This is your quick access to turn the sockets that are controlling your bulbs on and off. Next, by hitting the gear in the upper right-hand corner of the app, you'll go into your settings for the Wyze Cam, and you'll see under accessories that lamp socket is installed right there. And when you click into it, you're gonna get even more customization. The first thing that you're gonna notice when you click into the settings for your lamp sockets is it's gonna tell you how many are linked together. Next, under lamp socket control, you're gonna see auto, on, or off. Under the auto setting, there are 3 different options that you can choose to have your lights automatically turn on. The first one would be dusk to dawn or sunset to sunrise. That means any light bulb controlled by your lamp sockets are gonna automatically turn on when the sun sets at night and turn off when the sun rises in the morning. You can also have them automatically turn on anytime the camera detects motion, and you can have them automatically turn on anytime the Wyze Cam V3 detects sound. Now, along with the auto controls, there's a section called timer. If you have your lamp sockets set to be triggered by either motion or sound, you can set a timer for how long you would like them to stay on after one of those events is triggered. Choose timer, and we're gonna set ours to stay on for 10 minutes. Last, I want to call out scheduling. Maybe you have a particular use case where you would like the lights to turn on at a certain time or turn off at a certain time. You can set up your lamp sockets to be triggered by schedules and rules in the Wyze app. There are a few more things that I want to call out. One is that sticker that we mentioned earlier. This sticker is important when you've installed these lamp sockets on a light switch because you want to keep power constantly flowing to make sure that your Wyze Cam V3 is controlling your lamp socket. Also, we've set up 2 lamp sockets here, but one V3 camera can control up to 5 lamp sockets wirelessly. The other thing is that you can have multiple Wyze Cam V3s in the same group. So I could connect another Wyze Cam V3 to this lamp socket and have double the coverage by using 2 Wyze Cam V3s. I just want to emphasize one more time, the lamp sockets absolutely need a Wyze Cam V3 in order to work. They're the brains of this whole operation. So that's Wyze Lamp Socket. We've appreciated how creative you all have been over the last couple of years in powering your Wyze Cam V3 outside. And we are very excited to offer you another solution. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next big thing from Wyze, and we'll see you next time. So, how many Kyles does it take to screw in a Wyze lamp socket? Can I help with that? No. The answer is 1.